To begin the setup process, simply double-click on the installer. Carefully read the license agreement, then accept it to proceed with the installation. After choosing the destination path, you're ready to install. Patiently wait for the installer to copy all the files onto your machine or VM. This should only take a few moments. Once all files have been deployed, you can click Finish to begin the second phase of the installation. This second phase creates the necessary system services and automatically performs several security configurations. Wait until this phase is finished. The installer will then provide you with instructions to complete the setup process. Now click on the database password to copy it to your system's clipboard. Make sure you store it in a safe place and don't lose it. Then click on the provided URL to open your browser and complete your setup process. Upon install, the server will use a self-signed certificate, so a security warning is expected. You can safely proceed. A web-based wizard will guide you through a few simple steps. Choose a name for this node, or have the software generate one for you. Then provide a password for the first superadmin account, and a recovery email. You may optionally activate two-factor authentication via Google Authenticator if you wish. And you're all set. You can now connect to the superadmin UI and begin managing your newly installed Syncplify server. Your first superadmin username is SA, all lowercase. You can now confirm that you've completed the setup and close the installation program.